Don't forget to subscribe if you truly enjoy the content and hit that little notification bell for more to come. Thank you Notion for sponsoring this video. I often get asked how I am able to stay so productive. With school, YouTube, and my small companies, it's not always so easy to stay on top of my game. In the past, I attempted to write notes on Word, use Google Calendar, and even go as far as using the Notes app to construct my videos and plan my Instagram content. Luckily, about a year ago, I found an app called Notion. Ever since, I've been able to organize all my schoolwork, plan and schedule ahead, and organize anything related towards media creation. Because so many of you have requested it, I decided to make a video on how to plan and organize your life and truly show you how you could build a great Notion workflow. My name is Andres, I'm a computer science student and tech YouTuber, and today we're going to dive into how you can structure your schoolwork and plan your life accordingly. The trick is to personalize Notion as much as you can, but I always recommend to create a dashboard system which allows you to divide different parts of your life within a single page. Pages in Notion allow you to import data from various services, create databases such as a table or a calendar, or simply write notes and use the slash to create multiple types of blocks. My single dashboard page points to multiple other pages that contain different types of data. This allows me to organize my workflow by sections and prioritizing my most important work and allowing freedom within my workspace. In addition to that, I love the ability of having inline blocks such as a calendar, which gets me to quickly peek on my workload for the month. But even though I'm not the best at planning monthly, I'd rather plan my future work within weeks. The weekly agenda consists of 5 columns, each containing a to-do list, which allows the listing of tasks I need to complete and cross them out once completed. Moving on, I'd say that the most powerful workflows within my system planner are my school and my content creation pages. As a computer science student, I often need the ability to organize my theory in order to allow myself to deliver on time and study effectively. My school dashboard allows me to separate my classes, create a to-do list for school, and use embedded links to have rapid access to certain parts of my school system. Courses are structured in such a way that allows me to access the online portal for the course, which can then quickly help me sort the content to prepare for deadlines when available. I like using tables since I can embed pages to write notes for the corresponding week of materials, but with that in mind, I think that the most powerful feature Notion delivers is databases. Tables not only allow you to organize your information, but it also creates relations between other databases within your entire workflow. And I use tables or any sort of database element to reference to each other. Within my assignments table, I have the ability to reference to a calendar event, but I most often go the other way around for clarity purposes. Overall, this allows to keep data consistent and create relations with the multiple database blocks. But since I'm not only a computer science student, being able to integrate my content creation work in one platform is such an attractive ability that keeps me coming back to Notion. As a content creator, I often find myself trying to juggle video ideas, scripts, shots, Instagram content, as well as organizing sponsorships for certain videos. Notion truly allows me to organize this type of workflow in order to ensure that I am able to deliver content on time. My creation dashboard takes advantage of pages and helps me sort between YouTube, Instagram, and sponsorships. But I'd say that with the incredible amount of growth the channel has seen, the sponsorships pages is starting to be a main focus. I created a system that allows me to reference videos and posts residing within my YouTube and Instagram boards. The idea of a board database is to create your own stage workflow where you can manipulate each card by giving it a status and modifying it like a page. In these pages, you will find any references pointing to another database and the current template I use for planning my content. Notice that every video refers to a calendar event, which allows me to stay on top of deadlines and make sure I post on time. But if we dig a little further down, I am happy to showcase the behind the scenes of each video you've seen for the past few months. Yes, this here is a new workflow I came up with. I have the ability to write down all the possible titles for the video, type down my research tags, paste a link to every single song that might possibly make the cut, and most importantly, the true planned content. I carefully came up with the idea of a table to use the planned shots as pages in order to take photographs of certain angles I'd like to use. Beside this column, a script referring to the shots can be found, and this allows me to carefully create the story for every single video. But it's not always so magical coming up with content like this. I often use the notes section to write down the ideas I come up with in the shower, and at the bottom the voiceover draft as a way to quickly plan something up. And overall, my friends, I believe that a Notion workflow is never truly completed. Notion has an incredible community and so many sites that are sharing different Notion templates. Notion goes above and beyond things like just arranging your school life because it allows you to mold Notion to fit your life and work however you want. I know everyone likes to get organized differently, but I truly hope this video pushes you to hop on board the productivity train and sign up using the link in the description down below. This has been the most requested video within the channel, and I am finally happy to be able to deliver it to you. People of the internet, I wish you all lots of health and happiness, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.